Hi, welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to talk about the Vista V2. It's the 2020 version of the Vista. The Vista is a stroller that we have always loved here at the Baby Cubby. It's definitely one of our favorite double strollers. We really love it because it's modular. You can switch the seats around. It comes with a bassinet that you can use on it, which is really convenient and we really love. It has a super easy fold and it's really easy to push around, whether that be on grass, on gravel, or in a grocery store. A lot of strollers we really recommend, if you only walk in grocery stores, maybe this one is for you. If you only go on hikes, this is for you. Whereas the Vista really encompasses all of those different types of lifestyles and tries to give you something that will work for everything all the time while staying really compact and really light. With the Vista V2, there are going to be a few updates that differentiate it from previous Vista models. Most of the updates are going to be in the seat. So first and foremost, the seat is going to be taller and deeper, as well as this little footwell here on the bottom will be deeper to accommodate taller children, just to make sure that your kid, no matter the weight, is going to be very cozy and comfy in the seat and not feel too restricted. It will also have a no rethread harness, whereas previously there were clips that you would have to deconnect and reconnect to make sure that the harness was at the correct height. With this one, it's just an easy pull up and down to make sure that your kid is comfy in there. Also with the seat, there's going to be a new type of canopy. So instead of pulling out a sunshade from below, you will actually come back here and grab this zipper, and that will allow you to extend your canopy even more, and it will show a little peekaboo mesh window as well, so you can still keep an eye on your child even when the canopy is all the way down, which is really nice. Another feature is going to be the wheel locking mechanism. So before there was a button to push but it didn't really give you any visual signs. With this one, it will turn green when the wheels are unlocked and they're moving freely. To lock them, you'll just press down and that little green circle will go away and your wheel will be locked. So it just gives you a little bit more of a visual cue of when that's locked, just making it a little bit easier for you to tell. Another difference is going to be with the wheels themselves. They're softer, so it gives you a really smooth ride. The Vista already had a pretty smooth ride, but this just kind of adds onto it, as well as suspension in the wheels. Again, just helping when you're going over gravel or grass or a rougher surface. It's going to keep your baby still instead of bumping them around a little bit. And then last but not least, the bag space in the back. The basket is going to be a little bit more structured as well as larger, so you can fit even more stuff in here when you're using your Vista, which is especially great for a double stroller because you probably have multiple kids worth of stuff to carry along with you. So I really recommend this to everyone. The updated version just makes it that much better, and we truly think that it works well for every family. So if you want more tutorials like this or you want to learn more about our store, go ahead and subscribe.